Hi everyone, I am Marlene C. Chavez from Calaca, Batangas. My video presentation is all about MMM. And what is MMM? This is a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other, a kind of the global fund of mutual aid. A global community of financial aid and a peer-to-peer donation exchange where everyone helps each other. MMM is not a bank. MMM is not an investment. MMM is not a business. MMM does not collect money because it has no central account. Instead, we directly send money to our recipient. MMM is a self-managed community. There are no boss, no manager, only people who exchange donations. There are no promises, no guarantee, and besides, these are donations to those participants who registered and joined the community. MMM has its own website that connects its participants. Who is the people behind this? And who is Sergey Mabrody? Sergey Mabrody was the founder of MMM Global Community. He was born on August 11, 1955 in Moscow. He is a great Russian mathematical genius. He founded and established MMM system in 1999. He was then elected to the State of Duma. Thereby, he is also a former deputy of the State of Duma. And how does MMM work? You declare the willingness to give help, after which your account will be credited with Mabro. Mabro's amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. This sum in Mabro shows how much you can request. For example, once you have decided to donate your money with the amount of 1,000 pesos, you will be rewarded in your PO with 1,000 Mabro, and they will immediately start growing. A month later, this 1,000 will become 1,300 Mabro, and according to this, you will be able to request assistance for 1,300 pesos. The reliability of MMM's donation exchange is stipulated by the fact that people ask for help when they really need and they donate money when they have the opportunity. There is trust relationship between participants who are partners but not competitors for each other. They make the mutual aid programs with such a high growth rate real. The proof of the viability of MMM is millions of the community members worldwide. Money will continue to grow until you decided to get help from the community. In this table, you can see here what will going to happen with your 1,000 pesos. In month 1, your money will become 1,300 pesos. Month 2, 1,690 pesos. Month 3, 2,197 pesos until it reaches to 1 year, which has the amount of 23,298.09. And how do we send money? In sending money to other participants, you need first to open the details in the assignment order and open also your BTC wallet. On your wallet, click the button Send to another wallet. From your assignment order, just copy the BTC value and paste it to your BTC wallet. Then, copy the BTC address from your order, then paste it again on your wallet to send the money from other participant. Last, click the Send button. Don't forget, when done sending money, make a screenshot of your transactions made for proof. And always remember, donate only your spare money. What rewards will you get in joining MMM? 1. A 30% per month of your provided help. 2. A referral bonus, maybe 10% of the help provided by the people you invited to join the MMM. A registration bonus of maybe $20, $50, or $100. A 20 to 100% growth rate with MMM Extra. And a manager's bonus, leadership bonus, and etc. What is the goal of MMM? Help for humanity is the greatest goal. We are changing the world. MMM Global is created for us to be free from financial apocalypse and to help people in the world to have a fair financial relationship in the community, to produce productive and meaningful life, and to lessen poverty. The ideology of MMM. Money is hard to get, but easy to spend. Life is a game. Money is how we keep score. Unfortunately, nowadays, banks are created precisely for such job. Their own interests are more important than the interests of the society. Modern banks are the Fed servants. They are greedy and avaricious bloodsuckers, small goals and vampires that serve to a giant and evil monster that plunge the whole world into their financial Kabbalah and sucks the blood from everyone and will continue unless we won't stop and destroy it. Only financial apocalypse. There is no other way. We are not slaves. We are people. We choose freedom. And this freedom is just around the corner. Now, with the MMM appearance, the financial apocalypse is inevitable and imminent. Now, it is just a question of time. The grain is thrown and it is already sprouting. Right. Now is the time. This is the very moment, and it won't die. Somehow, someday, we can provide help, and we will get help. Be part of our community, and together, we can change the world. Thank you.